thunderstorms over in Tooele County, kind of heading our way.
And they've developed over the west side of the Great Salt. It is north-northeast, so the impact may be a little rather than early this evening. So if you happen to have an early evening activity, okay, unless you're in Tooele. Up in Park City, beautiful today. Earlier shots showing some sunshine and report of hail near the Kimball Junction with Interstate 80. More thunderstorms are likely in the Park City area over the next 24 hours. Look at some yesterday's storm and the hail, the rain for an Eagle Mountain. Pleasant Grove, 1.25 inches of rain. Basin normally dry. Uinta Basin 1.06, Lehigh 1.04, Heber City 92/100, Capitol Reef 0.7 inches, and Murray 6/100. We've had a recent report in the Zion National Park area of over 1/2 inch of rain. There is some flooding coming into parts of the Zion National Park even as we speak. And as you can see, these thunderstorms are speckled around the west. It's up in the north. Let's first of all go to Live 5 Viper and see the southern part of the state. We've had these heavy cells sitting over Kanab and up towards Mount Carmel Junction. They've moved east of Kanab, but problems here. So the dry arroyos are allowing some of this very heavy rain to move towards St. George. By 10 p.m. we think some of those flash flood areas likely fill with water. So watch and be very, very careful. We've had reports of 1/4 inch of rain, some hail and heavy rain in these areas, but focusing on the Wasatch Front near Tooele. Look at these big thunderstorms coming into the Tooele Valley right now and developing over the west side of the Great Salt Lake. So we are see them moving eventually towards City, Ogden, and Provo. Probably not in the next hour or two, so you're okay early this evening. Later tonight, however, a higher chance for those thunderstorms and potential heavy rain, gusty winds, and frequent deadly lightning. This is the monsoon. The monsoon comes when the winds shift to a southerly normal pattern. Low pressure along the coast, that is funneling the clouds northward. It's like a siphon. It pulls that moisture northward, but eventually some drops the low pressure and move into northern Utah Saturday, and we'll have isolated thunderstorms remaining on Saturday. North, a little better chance over the southeast. You can see temperatures a little bit cooler. Chance for them a little lower probability. Southwest Utah, Manti, Nephi, northward. St. George for the next 7 days. We'll call for an isolated threat tomorrow. Drier night weather with highs 102 to 104 next week. Northern Utah will have that threat for those severe thunderstorms this evening, especially moving towards the Wasatch Front, say between about p.m. and midnight. Then again tomorrow, afternoon or evening thunderstorms on Saturday, less than 20% chance. And then on Sunday, I put in a 30. I know you don't want to hear about this, but the little pocket of instabilities, so we'll have a chance in the afternoon. Not a big deal. None of this flash flooding. And then next week, 90 to 93 on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And did you notice that high on Saturday, Sunday, upper 80s?
Yeah, I still got a lot of events, though. We can.
We're crossing our fingers.
Yeah.